This is a tutorial for Light Fairies section 1 and 2. You would come in, obviously starting on either 3, 5, or 7, starting with the front. That last one, 11, is front because that's an odd number. And then wherever you are, you would get into your circle. So if you were Nancy coming from this direction, you do this and step into your circle. Whereas if you're on this side, you're coming in one of these side 3 people. You go here, and you need to step around the foot to get it right foot in front. Okay, now I'll do it facing this direction. So this would be as though I was doing the back of the circle, so that would be Liliana. So here we go. Pas de basque. Little glissades in the middle, okay? Slide. Extend to arabesque. This is a tablier, dropping through the elbows. Okay? Take that arm up. You see that I'm plieing. And I'm leaning a little into my right shoulder. Grand jambe while you take this arm up, straighten elbows. Pivot to take it down. Piqué to susu. Palms up as you float down to plie. Little pas de chat. Soutenu. Okay, now just come face back my direction so we can do our walks. All right, and right foot lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4 is to plie. Pirouette and land 3/4 of a turn later. So if you're pirouetting, facing this direction, you're going to end 1/4 turn to your left. Pirouette to landing. You got this. Remember to practice the walks, separate arms and feet. Let me show you how you would do that. You would practice the arms by going like this. Sternum height, 45-degree turn, not flat. Okay, not flat this way either. Here. Going approximately all the way out to second position, definitely no further though. Okay, you're looking for those water-like liquid arms. And then the walks would be like this, really thinking lift, lift, lift from the middle of the quads to the middle of the abs. That's kind of where you're securing it. You're turned out, you're taking tiny little steps, and it's easier to do them fast, so you'd want to work for slow. And then you want to try to let the upper body do its thing too. Kind of a little leaning very slight towards the knee that's up, okay? So again, that would look like nice and low feet. Try to find a mirror to watch yourself in so that you can see whether you're going way up here or if you're taking these really big steps. That's going to look silly compared to the really tiny little fairy ones. You got this.